welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jasha and I would love for you to stay, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to do cute mermaid waves with the Mermade Hair styling tool. So if you want to check out how I do this cute trending mermaid hair, keep on watching. Okay, so this is what my hair looks right now. It's really straight. So before applying any heating tools, I do recommend you to use heating protection. At the moment, I'm using this Mermade heat tamer. So it's a leave-in spray. What I like to do is to spray it on my hair and let it set, let it dry like for 3 to 5 minutes, and then proceed to use my heating tools. I just feel like it's more effective for the definition. Either I'm doing it really straight or I'm doing waves or curls. I feel like my curls and my waves, they tend to last longer or to have better definition while I'm using my styling tool. So this is the waver that I'm gonna be using. It's from the brand Mermade Hair, and this is the 32mm waver. This is what the waver is looking like. So you guys can see, you just press this and it clamps. The details, everything is pink. Even this the wiring even like the wiring, the cable is pink. I really like that when I saw it. This styling tool, guys, can heat up from 180 degrees to 450 degrees. Heats up very fast, and also it has an automatic shut off feature. So when you're not using it for a long period of time, it will shut off by itself. It won't keep heating up, and that's really good. You won't burn down your house, you won't have any accidents. They will also send you this cute pink glove with your styling tool so you won't get burned. I'm putting it on my right. Should I hold my hair on the right? Okay, so I'm gonna put the glove on my left hand. Okay, so next I'm heating up my tool. I have my glove on. I want to divide my hair into 2 parts. You can do this or not. I'm just gonna secure the other half that I'm not gonna be using at the moment. Next, you want to start from the bottom. Grab not too thick, not too thin hair to start with. Set that hair up. Yeah, let's hope not to get burned. So I set my waver to 400. I don't know if that's too high or not, but let's just hope not. Okay, I think it's too hot. Let me just take it down a bit to 340. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I already did my first section of hair just to get an idea of what I'm dealing with. So basically what I'm doing, I'm placing my hair under these 2 barrels. So this part of the hair is gonna be under your hair, and then you're gonna clamp it. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so as you guys can see, that second wave, I'm gonna grab my barrel and continue right on top of that one. So basically what you want to do is go over your waves, refine the waves. Also be patient with your hair. You want to get the best waves, so you won't just do your hair and then your waves are like floppy already, you know. So far I'm loving my waves. I'm gonna go ahead and do a speed up. Okay guys, this is what I have so far. Half my hair. Styling tool itself, it's very uncomfortable because it's heavy and it's wide, and my hand is not really used to all that, you know, heavy situation going on right now. So when I'm already on my second section of the hair, I'm so exhausted, I'm so over it already. So I think you just gotta be very patient and very delicate with this tool, because all of this area gets heated, so you gotta be careful touching your skin. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up by adding some hairspray. Okay, so final thoughts about the Mermaid Hair Waver is that overall, waves are super cute. It's very easy. I feel like I got the waves out pretty nicely. And this tool, guys, it works pretty much very good, so you guys can see. If you're new to this kind of styling tool, you will notice a difference on the weight. So you will get used to it once you start waving your hair more often, but that's a huge difference. At the moment I started waving my hair, as you can see by the video, I was kind of trying to lay it down because I was just getting so exhausted by holding it in my hand. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave everything down below. I will link Mermade Hair, the waver, the exact waver that I'm using. Espero que te haya gustado este video. Voy a dejar el producto que utilicé abajo en la cajita de descripción. And also don't forget to like this video, to subscribe, to share with your friends. No te olvides de darle me gusta a este video, a suscribirte y a compartir este video. Así me ayudarás a crecer mi canal y yo pueda hacer proyectos con ustedes, mis suscriptores. Los veo en el próximo video. Bye.
Como ya la vi solita, pues me pregunté qué pasa cuando me bailó cerquita. Eso